Hey, so I have a question for you, Jerry.
But before you get to that, let's click the like button.
Subscribe to the channel.
Bring us your cars. You know the drill. Come on.
Okay, so I'm Dr. Laura. This is Jerry. Welcome to the Jerry and Dr. Laura show, sponsored by the Auto Shop. Okay, Jerry, I have a question for you.
Is it a car question?
Yeah, it is a car question.
I love car questions.
So what's the number one absolute worst thing a person can do with their vehicle?
Loan it to a neighbor.
No.
Don't do it.
That's not what I meant. Yeah, don't load it to a neighbor. Don't crash it. Okay, so those things aside, but what's the number one worst thing a person can do with their vehicle?
When they hear a noise, they turn the radio up.
Well, yes. I agree with that one.
That doesn't fix anything, I promise you.
No.
If you hear a strange noise, unless you have someone locked in the trunk, it needs to be looked at by a professional. They won't fix themselves.
We can't fix it if we don't know about it.
That's true.
Make sure that if you have a light on the dash, or you have a noise that's like, this is not normal.
And it's not your mother-in-law in the trunk. Let me out! You wait till I get out!
Give us a call or schedule an appointment. Bring the vehicle in. Give us the opportunity to really just figure out what it is, and especially if you've taken it to other places, bring it to us.
We'll give you a second opinion.
Give you a second opinion, let you know exactly what's going on, a second opinion, second estimate, because we can't fix it if we don't know about it. And this also goes for if you've had your vehicle here and it's still not quite right. Let us know. Let us know, because once again, we can't fix it if we don't know about it.
We have to learn about it. And sometimes it's just a simple conversation. It could be something very simple to take care of. And we want to do the best job for you that's possible.
So don't just silently go away. Just let us know. Usually the next day after you've had your car here, someone will give you a call, make sure everything's okay. Usually problems don't show up until 3 or 4 days later, but just give us a call. Let us know. Bring it back in, or we'll either send someone to go get the car, or a tow truck, or whatever it may be.
We're happy to help. We're happy to fix it.
We'll do what we can to help you and make everything good as new.
Absolutely.
All right, so schedule an appointment, 972-578-0588 or
www.theautoshop.com.
And thanks for watching the Jerry and Dr. Laura show.
See you next time, everybody.
Click
Bye-bye.
the like button, subscribe, share with your friends.